Yeah, where they will see for a church will be biara. Wo ba so pe, de ba sra wo ne se wo ba share video no. Wo ba share video na kwechire na wo nua bi so ye video no so mfa so. Wo ba so pe share video no mame. Ade a me sra first, and say wo ba so pe wo ba share video no. Me din check ase Edema Wise Africa Youth in Penifo ina na me din chia asan freedom fighters. Freedom fighters, fire from above. Dr. Ren, CSF Asante, Mama Gina K, Sugar Drops, Kwa 44, Etiaku GH, and your fan say, your seniors, Abraham Ben Moshe, Oketecha Frifa Mensa, Captain Smart, so far no. Money you say made mon kwa atwo say o man no say ye nsuo mo ojemo ewia mo bibia mu no mode mon kwa atwo say mo baka na kore edaje o man Ghana Mada freedom fighters ya aside ese ewie no ma menkyere made bi before I ever started the media no wo ba so pe mesra o video no wo ba share wo ba share video no yes ma menkyere mo ade bi meba Yo, ebusiafo, wo ba so share video no. Topic e wo won here, IGP must resign. Sometimes say video obi mba fi say bia Ghana penifo ne yembu omo ana sabe nanado ana yembu no. Pacha IGP must resign. Oba say very good. Endra issues ne ba ye no. Kwofo bebre kan issue kan wasan bebre, yemu bebre yankasa. We were expecting say sabe IGP bakwa kwada na wadwen se nsamunu na okan ye ntombra na omenye nyansasem bi no kan kire youth no onye sabe no up to now onye na dwen se owo nyansasem bi a obaka kire ye fansan youth no ana se owo nyansasem bi a obaka kire Ghana for enti de matima ka kire ne se onbombode na onje na adwuma nto because indirectly wa kire ye se adwuma no ntumi ye ebusiafo Sanshirama bayeda esowura no mesra mo me yan starte inti me bo IGP nenu masa na se bia wo ye fofra wo hwa me na se wonte na asam na wate hwade me ba muntie na asam muntie IGP nenu masa muntie.
There's no society in the world where there's no crime. Even in the US, in the UK, Sweden and all those countries where I would say they more or less have everything. They still have crime. The only place that doesn't have crime is heaven, and we are not in heaven. So if any so-called security analysis says that we are not on top of our game, that's why this is not happening. I mean, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
Ebusia formati. Onu make it clear say baby ni assassin so a wo ba ka say crime anywhere na crime dey say wo person hu baby crime ni a heaven. Bacha oboa heaven okra dey crime war na etumisi. Heaven war na etumisi war. Heaven war etumisi war. Revelation chapter 12 verse 1. Revelation chapter 12 verse 1. Mamu ni Bible muni. Bible commando sisa Bible ni ejakuti ye kan wankasa kwa cheke. Pacha sa IGP na sama okachire no. 1. Asama obeso okachire ne say ono ontumi nyahye ewo crime na ekoso ewo man ni mu no. Ontumi nyahye but me can be wadwe mu. I sometimes kasa pe muso Bible commando mi mbuade mi didiga na penifo atem. Sabi brothers. Ghana penifo Jimmy omu Jimmy Samen kan kire mu say omunjai Jimmy a da na men kan kire mu. Penifo no mu Jimmy enti say yan ya baka kire mu say omunjai Jimmy na aka kire mu say Jimmy ya mam ye didi atama sabi omu Jimmy no yan kan kire mu say omonto aso Jimmy anasa den ansa na maba na asama so no sabi mo amofra mu tiafo oh Bible commando freedom fighters mo ya de atemdidie no pabo chaw yan ja atemdidie no ensehwe atemdidie no ensolve problem no sabi producer atemdidie no ensolve problem na yate sabi producer Ghana penifo Jimmy no mu Jimmy no so ensolve problem no sa atemdidie na ye didi omo no so mu Jimmy no mu njai na mu si ye didi atem intiminim samu pese ka chom se Ghana penifo nto atemdidie no so a satem didie no ye didie mo na solve problem na Jimmy na Ghana for penifo no mu Jimmy no so en solve problem no nto mu tie nyansasam na youth ye ka kire obo no one mo sha de IGP nenu asam ne say crime de e wo baby a nti esi a ya fa ne sa that means he is not willing to do anything to solve this problem tie a chance ade no USA to me see Canada to me see on mine na cost no to me see nti Ghana esi a ya fa ne sa we can build this state with somebody like this. As someone can say he is not competent to solve this issue. Sabi producer. Yes, it is true. They can solve it because we are IGP. That's what to me share. Now we colleague and now we call sabi we are my mekwana wo fia. Edura na dwa woni say say we talk kerosene because o met me do light away film to mu do light away film a we woni yansa. Na wa so we lentil bi ana so post obi na wa na wa so. Maami a woni mi yansa papa woni mi yansa sa na we ba obla. We ye ya fan sign maame a woni me say ye beto ma light off show baba enti wo beto ya fan sign mosquito coil say de ba ya sabi producer mo mo de air condition na de leja ye do me light show ba wa so mosquito coil abanti wo baby a wo do mosquito net esi so aso coil na wo de show mba eno na kire say wo ye hihye bi in the wo ye hihye bi da to wo say wo ko anwochiri bi ma nso hye na tuma abo eyi we film sabi producer a whole policeman only good ammunitions only nyama ebebo no police ni no ban na an robbers ekunu nkwase wo sen this policeman was dead he was dead because of your stupidity and shishapa mo ntumi ahyehyɛ and shishapa mo IGP ne won panifo mo ntumi ahyehyɛ say wo ya bank na wo ba mo police ni bi edi wachi a wo nya bullion van papa pick up bia na maji na yaye career pick up bia la na ma ye containers so na mo didi bank afram na IGP pacha want to me instruct nko for some the same man about on rejecting na ekoku nipa na Ghanaians are complaining now you have the audacity to tell us say crime dey to me see baby this IGP must sack right now says yes so mo gineti esa no na akofado o ma IGP no ye na disisi a ense god o kan sasam no say enyansafo bi man so sasam we say Germany, Italy, France, Sweden, Italy ya fa say UK wo baby no ka sasam ya en ka sasam we o kan o ka say wie ya la ya tata questions ye ginedi ya pe baby de natena useless man ya di atam mo si me di atam nkwase asam we ya say fi pani ano ka kire whole IGP police fo nyina de wano when wo share your security system say ba to the adigan the whole Ghana you hope IGP when it comes to defense now what catch you say crime no e koso bibia share make catch you no kre crime koso bibia la na ne diama wo be wu sabe prayer ono kra no onim de o kan ye heaven or the be mu pacho heaven men person me quote Bible me ja quote Bible na egu an men pesa me quote Bible be ja quote heaven into kwesi we heaven no kra no enye easy heaven de enye crime o eye war na to see heaven it don't tell me say crime cause go baby na apart from heaven fine no kra crime cause go baby ala sanka crime ne ba no nka police for no money and robbers no mo face 50-50 na ye wuni say okay say no mo de ba ya kra mutumi ye bibi and supporting muna manya hyehyɛ papa na nimpa ne ekwowu sankwase awui na you ti ne complaining na IGP mu a wo ba ka kire say crime because go bia that means you have no idea of solving this crime na ekoso no na o ka chem say esisi wo kurobia so nonsense asam esi wo Ghana and that 3 days sa Emmanuel say ekwan ye fa so kun me pochew IGP kire me kuroba kwa this sa asem we betumesi sa asem we ebetumesi wo USA sa van tan sa bullion van tan we are police ni kwatire ma ana so akwa hwere no nkwa no me ba chaw sa kwase asem we ebetumesi wo USA sa crime to be si bia la police ni a okita krakrakpowa na Robert tuma ponitu ekunu ma na dwen na firi tirimato na ye complaining a me ba chaw me bi sa IGP question crime bia because wo Ghana na Ghana for two ma no gusu say there are some crimes there was some and you maybe we don't need to see as a developing country a country like Ghana, we don't need to see such monentity. Some kwasi some way in some way and say you will be police in here or police in here or pop on bulletproof and say you will be. Ya kwa kan say esi will be this kind of akwanhia ya nua be me kwahie IGP say we say police on motor service with integrity. So kasa say we obi a we intellect say wa gene ye adwuma nti IGP asem okay I want him to prove to me, I want him to prove to the whole Ghanaians all my fact actually say this accident, the type of akwanhia ye nua yima no say eko wuye me pachaw on tell me country as asem we CB 64 years Ghana on tell me country sa accident way akwanhia way on tell me developed countries no bobo you know on for video on for evidence about Ghana say asem way ebias we Europe krobi so pen nonsense. Even if it has happened before, my family case, that is why you are IGP. And so making sure say this things shouldn't and say it shouldn't happen same way and say sisi wa Ghana ha ya kwaka wa baka che say your friend say esi wo bibia, so we should take it like that. Just obey me face that one now. We should take it like that. It is nonsense. It is total stupidity. It is nonsense. It is green towel. Share one. It is total stupidity. Sabi brothers yan kwala last me catch them say you tina yaba no we listen with our head. Yes, that's it. You tina yaba sisi ano ya de ya dwen na ye de tiensam nti sa wo kasa be very careful. Asama IGP kan ni obi o wa twade asama IGP kan ni munti monhye munti na asama kan munti o say there is crime everywhere apart from heaven. Everywhere apart from heaven, IGP reacts to critics. The issue in contest, Munti. The issue in contest, no. Police niya, oti bullion vana, armed robber, etu mebe kuni just like that. We kuni sa koko. Police for mo bambona mo de we chere we say bambona police for di your fans say bankers in the chino a week. Enti so be it to me a penetrate a cause just damage. It is insecurity. Yakwaka when you pass your phobia or monso sabi brother san. Kwato de na boje yan yanche na yebo na banku. Sa infantiman MP sabi brother san. Yebo no kunu to say yebo na sekan sabi. Na yele na your audacity ababonten because nukunu yakunu no when your opportunities bebre. This is an opportunity for that woman to come and speak sense to Ghanaian security. And yawa wukunu wu yan when your audacity ekowura MP your first say parliament until you talk bullshit. Wo kasa say the wajin ye adwuma. Enfantema MP ni wife or kasa say aboa sabi brothers ya ka kira mo baby yedu no. We talk with let's see the agenda kasa. Until we penny now but kasa you must be very careful. So first now Ghana youth yang first yang and it's to Obama MPP this is I know. First no now junior week the mobile can be na they are come. Now we are working with brain. We are in Aquarius age. Your age of common sense. Your age and nipa junior juma until we MP minister. We MP minister parliamentarian assemblyman we are in impo now bakasa actually the youth of today you must be very careful ja wo bakacha ye no jini now baka nkwase asam wo bato kakanka sabi brothers. This is the time we need a message no bet to me cool the heart of Ghanaians concerning these insecurity issues. This is the time IGP Ubabanteno. You should have spoken wisdom. You should have spoken wisdom. Mama ncha won sama esa woka. Sabe se munnim nyansa. Yan kola na yan ko school ni. Yan gaba kire mu amabobo degrees ni nyansa. Samusi mu nhwe nyansa. Dian ka IGP bae no esa okani. Obaka se Ghana penifo yasra mu. This is an opportunity. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn sense. Sadia we esi. Sadia kroma ye Ghana penifo mu inamu. Yasra mu. Enema akadia esa Ghana police fonya no aban mombambode na mum providing nyama na manye na yamfambo oman no ban Not time na what the share, you know. Fasha by me say. Na Akufo-Addo, I'm telling you, Ghanaians are dying. I conscious basabasa. Nempe gu basabasa. Na Akufo-Addo, me ma obusu miensa, me ma obusu mienu. Eniema police for nyina enye nyina eye 10 billion. We say. Ye nya de in 3 months. Nana, when produces an mana. Me de IGP dibe no me de bato wo na ye hu sa wonim nyansa wo ba ka kire say security insecurity ya fan say crime ekos wo bebi a wo ya aboa papa me na me ka kire wo ye aboa wo ya aboa nkasa sabe predator wo fi say Ghana for ya mboa ye jimi ye nim nyansa nti say okay fine say if okay that's good if say insecurity and I say crime e wo bebi a then why do we need police? If crime is everywhere, why don't we leave them to be stealing, killing, and robbing? We because we don't want these things to happen. Young person kono bekoso. Young person abriwobia. Obi bekoko cha abriwobi tokura. Young person obi bekoko cha mami bi tokura. Ewure ni de meko wie na de. Young person police ni bi di ka be boni pa no badwane. Young person anro be ba vuobu obi a wekọ ni sika or bank. That is why we give you the police position, especially to be specific, as IGP. So, na sanyemo we in every system. So, I catch you say, crime is everywhere. Why do we pay you? Then what are you doing? So, crime and wouldn't say it is everywhere. Why can't you stop that? Because you have the audacity and it's the police for Yama Mutuo. Yama Mokwai, let me baby Mutu investigation just to fix that attitude of crime in a person. Mo wa wase mo ba makroi obi anwato no enti ye kum nipa enfa kwema we have every right to question you, the IGP. What are you doing? Then I want to from police for the year am assassin we see here ya kwaka wo ba ka kire say ye fan say crime is everywhere. Then if crime is everywhere, then police eduma no no simple na crime no nkoso mo you are very messy sha police for e was a video we me ba no. People were asking, hey, the way a commando would defend a police for you. The way a commando would defend a police for you. How are you going to handle this issue? IGP, they are working on seven prayers and some hunu. Some way and yasama say a PFE were IGP for no. Sanka, we opportunity by Banteno. As some as I'll catch a gun for Batoma, I bet you say, what IGP? What Juma, what credibility? I bet to form for 3 days. The piano best in Shebiala. You are going to deliver them. This is what you are supposed to tell Ghanaians. As I will catch a Ghana for say, Ghana for Mesramu, minimum say, dear Oyi me say, member ye IGP no, only me position, only me the match my into no Oyi me IGP. Ghana for Munko Makuma to me, member 3 days, baby, I confirm na question biala, sa ango besina, omukum, ye say, Emmanuel, Oseno, baby, all question biala, Maxino. And I'm minimum for 3 days. You're batching upon the Abagana for you. This is what we are expecting from IGP. We are not expecting nonsense like crime is everywhere. When we see Ghana police, Mr. Ghana police, you will police for Makumako. Andrea, okay, fine. Andrea, research me, it was previous research. Currently, Andrea, me news, me update, HSA, our police now is more than 40,000. 40,000 police, me pacha, me bisao. So police ni ba ku biala say 1,000 Ghana per in the police ni Ghana ba ku an me pa chaw look at the money that the government is using on you policemen in this country. Nimpa for 40,000, so be aje 1,000 Ghana cedi 400,000 Ghana cedis a month ma allowances nkete emba ye salary nko an me pa ma chaw. We are using all this money for the police service. Not crime, to say, and yet ordinary citizens go. And yet ordinary citizen, and yet police ni, and a sa, and such a welcome, na yakasa, na IGP Casaton with the China. Who be a bum, and now who can so much training. Hey, Akufo-Addo, if you, so when soup, be say, on my penny Akufo-Addo, Miss Row, so one for we see what, now one year be eh? Why you be free, and fat? IGP statement here where is we want. What we say? IGP, he was appointed by the government in power. Mom, you don't choose people because of their credibility and your favoritism and I'm the fact workers. Because on IGP no on say nanado I in favor. Do you know why? onimsa na Akufo-Addo why in favor na one man position nti nyema bi nkoye ya ontumi nkasa mfa ho ontumi nkasa nti aban no he is me say IGP the very useless IGP means me wo wiase nie we ya IGP na issue we aba na improper equipment Ghana for lacking to the kofasa na boye na ba say IGP would security system what you are policy for Esha was see adwuma ho na wo gye omon kwan na omon kwanya wa anka wo IGP wo batena so dadade 2019 nka wo ni nyansa abo abanye pressure ka bosie oba yi wo de bi age bullion van ba say bia 20 na wa supply am region said e ba ya bank bi abekọ a onko ombe rent sa bullion van na eye papa eye bulletproof ye boto wo menye na wo da bo nko for wo ban that is what we call a proper and intellectual IGP. I don't have an intellectual IGP was said you say wo people Ghana for ina wo ban na police for now why then wa ba mo ban this only this 2 weeks when we police for yes shoot am and sancho for yes shoot am only these 2 weeks sabi pray there sir yenjimi yo Ghana pay for me catch them yenjimi aya amafo na ne yakasa yam education ne yam me we na ba chem solution to this police issue. IGP couldn't deliver solution me matana ma mo solution IGP to me and mo say ye way wo batanyan or kira wo say hey crime no US kura e den ekoso into ekoso Ghana yam fa sa why do we even have to spend money on these entities then thing as I say yes say sika e was anko for you why do you waste taxpayers money why should you waste on these people they can't solve any problem in this country ne achievement ne den me disam IGP 2019 2019 to 21 much of an achievement. Tell me the achievement of the IGP from 2019 Akufo-Addo appointed no. The only achievement or achieve nonsense and wakache and the only achievement achieved by the IGP is the nonsense he spoke yesterday. That word shouldn't have anka ordinary policeman ketwebi anka na ono IGP no krambla no omba clarify san no enye sa na asamneti na mbom mumma ye 3 days na ye debate since ya no the problem is ni nala aye kronfo no the opportunity no kum ye nua no if we want to fight for our brother ya pe justice ama ye nua be mana ye nua Emmanuel Osai police ni no constable Emmanuel Osai say ya pe justice e dia mana. What we are supposed to do is to deliver the armed robber who killed him. Armed robbers na omukum sa nipa no. Eno na me expect IGP say obaba catch the whole Ghana say Ghana for mesra mo. Na Akufo-Addo oyi bi say be IGP no. No wogide wo memu onim de metumi ayama Ghana ban. Eno nti na oyi bi IGP. Wey mumma me 3 days me ni me penifo be bia konfo ni hye biala ye be chinaba. Na nka waje sembo. Ko bia be bo nsema Wajiminti wo ba catch Ghana for say crime e koso bebia fine say crime e koso bebia de agate edwuma no munjai na crime no koso because crime koso bebia meaning you cannot do anything about this criminal activities Jane as a rational human being ma catch am ye nkosu ku ansa na ye huni yansa adwen e de wotirim Jane wo dwen a wo be huni yansa Sabe wo ba mesi makacha mesi youth na yaba no woni ye kasa na wanhwe wan you become useless sabe Kufuor ade ne de sabe Kufuor ade ne de na nkwasi asam na obaka ya no woni obi obaka no kwache pampani Kufuor bia why president for 8 years Ghana yawo because of stupidity mo be Ghana lead ko ya kwaka mo abebile me Kwame Nkrumah somebody an achievement Kwame Nkrumah an achievement after Kwame Nkrumah wo yi Kwame Nkrumah de gina wa President Eddie the Chi nala. What come we know achievement at the Boma and Nkrumah? I tell you. Me see anybody can challenge this. Me see enough Netflix. Ghana President in obeying the documentary our Netflix. Ghana President in obeying the documentary our Netflix. Netflix are important people. Heroes, people with good achievement. People with credible achievement. And a documentary ewa Netflix pacha o ma peli Kufuor wo document wo ho sa wo document wo wa me pacha dem fa wo document e fa compare ye fa say Kwame Nkrumah na wa ba tan ba ka say Kwame Nkrumah was visionless he lacks vision when I won lucky vision, we gave you 8 years. Look at the country. Then pa na Ghana for bet me that kai on mampani kufo. Obeka sanse mfo no. Then pa na Ghana for e de bet me gina so. E da kai on mampani kufo say on mampani kufo no ye we. On mampani kufo no ye we. Ah, ye bet hey, on mampani kufo sabi pray say say ye me bufu ayehu. Say the message ji watam no sabi pray say say we jimi a fate na ofie. Me aka tira mo me say Ghana panifo say jimi no omu njaya ayehu. Ya ba yom na ya kana wonti ase a wo baka jam so atem didie solve problem. It is true. Atem didie and solve problem. Jimi no so solve problem. Even if Kwame Nkrumah lacks vision, yanjintum se Kwame Nkrumah or lack vision. Yanjintum Kwame Nkrumah lack vision. You have the same opportunity. Kwame Nkrumah lack vision. Ah, si Ghana your problem because of the vision our lack. Na your problem na ya ba na wo baka kire say and o man na enkwaye ni na if Kwame Nkrumah inti yan reverse we are seeing Kwame Nkrumah time na enko correct and then you buy that correct he is useless me na me catch you me say ya youth na ya ba na ya me say me catch am me Ghana ha na me ti o Ghana ha na me ti yes I'm a citizen I'm a concerned citizen I expect me say try me bag no me ID card ma me yi ma me to mamba ade ma akofado it is sometimes me hear video na me ni abere no me boni din me chance akofado I voted for you to na meto abama ho no dia me penti a meto abama ho no that is not what I delivered muntie hwade me mo this is it meto mamba de ma akofado na meto mamba e ma no me piempuntu o mabrabo me pe development e wo community me pe development e wo mememu me pe development am every citizen of Ghana tie obi wasen bi ka kire na do Samson tie ya onti Obi was saying, catch it now. I'm so onti.
The Frame Nyaba. If you see Frame Abodam, if you see Frame like Woody, me for the Bolga, me Galusejuma. And I could afford to say, young guy, Galusejumano. I could afford to watch some of Becano. I could afford to be or sooner. Nabi o ni na dia sama mi bakano usi yanga galu se ya TSA we Ghana president ya TSA mo se ya galu se no obi an ya galu se no se se ma ba Kumasi minijuma awo Kumasi mbeya misu me wa yere wa mba mi be duru fia ni yere be holu me se me ma na sika mi ba be holu me se me ma na koko sika se se mi ko fa wa fa na mi ko ma o first ka ya titi first na se dia mitia ko mo be family Soja, and now my family police. The president can say Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo, Ghana president Akufo-Addo, Mr. Pejuma Mame, Nijindi Abodam, Pejuma Mame, Soja Mame, Soja Mame, police Mame, and I Pejuma Mame, Nami name and Ban Timmy Titi. And yes, I mean Pinimo Kura, that be a Mino, Yaba Haya Musa. Wow. Yeah. She said, my jagan saying, I don't remember making that here. There's one on Beya. Miss me walk on another. Me walk on another. Maybe I never walk on.
Yeah. Ebusian for Ebusian for maybe I'm saying officially officially besramo am say message no mote Akufo-Addo me ba na ma ba clarify we telephone number na e wase wono wrong si say no menya information last number na 009 ti say obi ba fra on chain right after video no so per say ofra last number ni 009 mean to me the thing is here intina me wasa information last number no 9 and 0 Mati Abrantia no o say Ghana tie me Galamsey issue by me catch am say Galamsey no sabi president o man no abiding create adwuma bi afama citizens na Ghana ha enti won create adwuma bi afama citizens na yaye unemployed no we need to survive so the way of fighting Galamsey no very wrong ma catch am Mo aban no mo yen hihye ni yie na mo fa mom na mo fa mranto omu twa dua they should replace omu twa asase no mo nkata so na omu ye no appropriate place sa na aban no ese wo man kofo no kwan na omu ye galamsey no sa we ye sa wo man mo kwan youth no ekomedi oma bebia they can go and do the surface mining. They will do it, you arrest them, they will do it, you will kill them, they will do it. Galamsey no wo fight no ese wo muni nyansa we aban a ese wo muni nyansa say citizens na egu no omo so omo ye Ghana for we yam bia ejima bia ma mo say Galamsey for mesra mo asase na basai nti me bia orange juice factory me bia pineapple juice factory e wo mukuro ma mo ye Galamsey no ti say chabi akofo do ukuro mo munja Galamsey no na bia factory akase sa Galamsey no ese asase na youth no wo pamo ma ejima ben no munye den no mundi on ba Daniel Roberts no mekunkuma police for men dis ejimi sam no suyensa sa wo ba fight Galamsey no we are all happy about fighting the Galamsey trucks excavators na wahye no na misi nyansa nim no kore obi abedi madanse wa wo hwa me sa Galamsey no on fight ye excavators na on sisi ye no pacha omu twaja tu me hye no sa nyansa wo ma hu if sa nyansa wo ma kasa yes nyansa ni ma kasa no ma mo shame no mon comment na yan to aso afei sa citizens no they are your citizens sa wo sakom so munja Galamsey ni yan kwatena fia what are they going to eat monjin youth no ho me wiele ma ba tira mo IGP solution me ba magana for ina solution about ni pe kunkum o man na say no yan kwala no munya aduane ndi yan kwala no munya school papa ntinam yan kwala no munya classroom papa ntina o munya kunwa ntina so mo de defo ebi computer mouse keke computer mouse baako eye just 5 cedi and no kan we da ba Ghana ha no eye 5 cedi aban computer mouse baako eye 5 cedi ya dem popa ina da ma students say omo fan ye ICT ya dem baba na mom say omo ye ICT we me ya mo pe say commando hey commando akemi dey solve problem no jimie ni so solve problem no Galamsey ni no me catch now we are citizen we are citizen na do pe wo sale a mention the first person to go to Akufo-Addo you ti bia won ye adwuma accommodate no wo sale pe kwa Akufo-Addo so wo ti fie tie we ya nimpa na ono papa ti fie na se accommodate wa sa wo papa ye adwuma o se on ye adwuma o so we sika o so ni sika o he is the right person to go and ask for your chop money from him. Comedy wa wo fa chance pe kwa Akufo-Addo you ti bia Galamsey ti wunya adwuma ye you ti bia why unemployed wunya adwuma ye wo sole a you have to go to the council kwa Akufo-Addo mu nya mu demonstration you ti bia wunya adwuma ye comedy no bomba de sole apa wo sole na pa for chance mu nya mu ye ba ko ere bia amate mu ya boys 20 mu ya girls 50 mu ya say mu nya adwuma ya mu sole na pa mu kwa Akufo-Addo nkwaje adwuma mu nkwaje aduane ndi ba mu wa mu nyansa na we bia adwuma mo. He is responsible. Me catch you. We are Ghanaian citizen. Na comedy wa. The only person as will feed you a government. When the baby that the only person as will feed you a government. The government also the oldest so Akufo-Addo. Into who for chance pe kono. So we are homeless. O Ghana ha. Now we are Ghanaian citizen. Now we homeless. Kwada Akufo-Addo gate ha. Man kwada Kaneshi market. Obi kuma ye hu. Kwada Flagstaff house. Ewo security cameras wo ho. Obi bo otu a ye be hu. Weda no obi be repu a ebehu woda ho eba ma aban na sua nyansa me say what and kind na wonya bebi nda ko Flagstaff house kwada ho Flagstaff house no eye oman ni sika ene ye di si ye wo so your man ba te say Akufo-Addo he vote Flagstaff house wo no eye oman ni sika ene ye di si Flagstaff house no enti wo ye citizen what and kind baby a woti wan kan bia wonya aduane ndi wonya baby nda wa bra bra ya besa no kwa Akufo-Addo wo straight enti kan yo tina wonya adwuma ni na mo ye baako na mo kwa Akufo-Addo wo mo kwa ne fie mo kaka nse Ghana ban o mabani ya sraw ye ni adwuma ye adwumi nkobọ kro no na ekobọ kro na wa police for be chi akotem nti yaba na mo ntie yansa se mo be ka kire mo me say be bia yo tina adwuma ma nkasa mo be stadium ma mo me say what and kind and kind baby a wuti biala say comedy wa sole kwana na akofo fi koje biane afei ma me share time okay my video for 34 me share that video nche we me be boa Ghana ban free police IGP obi tag na mame obi tag police IGP Ghana police ni pani bia wonim no tag na mame me be Kenyan sasam on betie bi we free education free education. That is what is going to solve the problem of the security sector. Chrono, Nimpakum, and robbers, mobile money fraud. Ababifo, e would this summer echo and cost one crime. Any gun and we are safe for Nala. May Bamamu solution, Muntie, a yansan, Sabe, since you be free baby. Now, in sorry to be rock now. E basa krom we nyema nyina ye njan nsuo ni fa emra na mbasa kro no nyema nyina nambo ye si anakwan na nsuo na ntuma ye den amba kro no mu enyansafo na beti da be kanase muntie mi Ghana ban wa bobo sia 304.6 billion Ghana ban wa bobo sia 304.6 billion me pa chaw e ka we enye kaketwa so mu ye nyansafo bia komu je sa abusie enka Ghana nyese ne Ghana ti omajiska no atoto V8 akasia omajije hu S gracial omajije hu double salaries omajije hu rent allowance shoe allowance ballot allowance utensil allowance gas momo allowance ya ji all the allowances in that money into your money no are useless ya toll booth sika omajije a sika no they say ko do aban no empenifo na omoda no because of omunkofa system e ba moneta na obi ehu sika yenya woto opportunity peni no da no 5 billion na say 2 billion na omedi sika na bo mine capital eno na nchan ya habo sama mo emitia ya nuano me bre ekwa brochire ekobre omawu so man na adwumanim nipa na bre wa fa desert so we kopia brochire na da wakwaye we kwadi abawa menka na sa we kwadi abawa na broni bi ehunu mo bose meba wasome ache jika we for Africa what the can they do agwa the useless government will never allow you to remove your car at affordable price car no what on 2000 euros obama what you 5000 euros that is how you will see the stupidity of this government that is how you will see the credential foolishness of our government Ghana government me say abanya wejimi obi ase me ba ye this government na akofo aban o mwejimi ama me hu bi da na wo ye papa mpo sabi mpredasa na wo ba kokrom na wakọ kon no kase na sa wo ba no wo ye papa mpo na wo nimi nyansa na wo tifie na wo nya na sa wo ba kita ba se 100 billion no di Ghana be fia a wise father wo be di kan ama akola no we bie gate ama no na wa betene dim na we bisa no nyansem se sika no wo ya no wan na akola na chechire wo mu sa wo pese wo mu ni sa akola no ko wi asika no kola na e de nyansa sem wo ba yusu nyansa na wa da da akola no na wa ka no kola che wo se sika no ko wi ai na papa wo ni nyansa wa kopɛ sika no ra na wo da koma no ye ne ya kwa abrochire we kwenye ka de bedu habo ka no de bedu habo na oton $2,000 or the bedu haba what's the woman yi wo je $5,000 na ka habo na wo yuta o munya adwuma nya wo krom na sa wunjimi ya ka kire me na sa nipa wo jimi na me se jimi no munya ya wo wonti asa wuafu wo na wo hwa me no wa kota credit 1 cedi action wo search chesen e bedi matam wo buafu wo wo unemployment graduate pot eni ma sha wo me se aban bi onimi nyansa ba na o kase yam bie pot obi ayi ni nyama for 1 month na hwe so obi be jobless e wo krom ha me se Ghana aban bi mbra aban onimi nyansa mbra no kase Ghana for me yema doye mi bie Ghana pot 1 month wa de wo obiala e bia jini free anase yantisu mpo yantisu by 50% nka wan anase yantisu nembra ebia ade ya wona 200 million yesi be 30% na yi na sha ejuma ebaba ko imi ha aban jimifo kwasiampafo ebe loke niema na ebaba kro na youth na ye adwuma na omonye sika extra tax na abayenya bi eda toto hospital nkunwa abayenya bi eda toto hospital bed abayenya bi eda tue security for ye abayenya bi eda to good ammunitions eda magana police no. The stupid and foolish government is a MPP. They will never allow you to take out your goods. Na goods no akata mahabo. Na you to no accommodium. Omuchitwa they will kill the police people. Me catch up. Some person when you me trauma dey. Some person what's it Bible kwa aka mo ji Bible di mutie. I say, "Wo ba ye den? Etumi akọ ewuro awodin fie. Akwase se ne japade. Wa bra won chechire ne nsa enwu nechi." Into Ghana and robbers, no, they know our strongest is our police service. Until they tested the police and they know they have failed. Sure, a wise policeman, missing police in missing me catch up. America one police, able to make man robbers 30 as an way. One policeman in Germany, able to make man robbers 50 as an way. Ghana police in a put to now on the car team. I don't know whether he's alert or he's not alert. Ya born the 2 kunu e 2 na kita na 1 2 baako bo. What can say easy? What test your police service we so be weak. If they want to penetrate it is very easy. Try. Give me here na ma say solution. Enti me nua be ma no bakasa ya no. Ebisa fo muntie ne biu. Hwe. Mo ka say e di agro. E ni abere papa. Muntie ne biu. Me pesa muntie ne biu. Muntie. Muntie no.
The Frame Nyaba. Ibisi Frame Abodam. Ibisi Frame La Nguri. Mi Filibolga. Mi Galamse Juma. Ana Akufodu say Yangai Galamse Jumano. Akufodu was Sam Bekano. Akufodu, they were soon Nabi or Nina Tia Sam Bekano. Usi Yangai Galamse. Ya TSA, we are Ghana president. Ya TSA Mose, Ya Gay Galamseno, Obian Yagalseno. Sisi maba Kumasi minijuma awo Kumasi mbeya misumi wa yere wamba nimbe durufia ni yere be holu se me mana sika ni ba be holu se me mana koko sika sisi mi ko fare wa hanfa na mi ko mawo first kaya titi first na se dia mitia ko mo be family soja ana mo be family police nti dia mi pese me ka se Akufodu se Akufodu Ghana president Akufodu, Missy Pejuma Mame, Nijindi Abodam, Pejuma Mame, Soja Mame, Soja Mame, Police Mame, and I Pejuma Mame, Nami Yen name and Ban Timmy Titi. And yes, I mean Pinimo Kura, Dabia Mino, Yaba Haya Husa. Wow, dear.
One no catch one, Nyaba, or Tamale, Northern region, of Islam, Wabakumasi. Nana osisa first na nkasa de ote no ye befa the soldier ya fa the soldier ye befa the police o kira wo say first for no money nyansa na mo magimi nti man fa the police man fa the soldier no ote wo. This is what you want to tell Akufodu. No person kira Akufodu tie ni ye asem o ka cho no say you wasu na tie ni ye na wo di nkwase asem na jai ete me to ma ba Akufodu tie ni me ma ba no me koto aba no man kasa meto magana penifo ina eye Akufodu nanim ana na nkrofo na obo mo pass omo be campaign no on ba ka chem sa mentoma no the free SHS baba wan ka chem so be double track system or the free SHS baba koli ya kwaya double track aye basa me se me wo fase owo Capitec me se no mu nyankunwa ntena so me wo fase o Capitec o mu nyankunwa ntena so me ko vai e de beto Facebook no mo share. This is total stupidity of our current leaders. Oh, be also into me, no, be a focal. I will tell you, Missy Wajin, Mamma was waiting. Want to me, Yammy focal. A branch no catch on, or saw some catch on, and now go for the TNE, or pay Juma, from soldier and our police and Tessa on the woman moving Ghana. Some or catch on, one say, my bachelor Wati, Yan to us. Afe, I'm a for solution. Mesramo, solution here. Ghana or mine, you get 30 million population. Your population in 30 million. Young fan say Ghana for your initially. Would be a ban chance assessment able. Would be a bro assessment and abo. A piano ye dinala, ye dear assessment able. I buy the mature young santi. No matter, wouldn't penny for agriculture minister. So what Montagno. Ghana Police Service some wa montie me police service IGP no kwase asam obakan no IGP ba nyansa sam wo se okan say Ghana mesra aban ne say onbomboden na aban ne bie ndwuma na aban ne ntumi bie ndwuma na youth na nya ndwuma ya they become jobless obi a oye jobless so e comedy na ontra wo se komunkunu even if it is robbing na obe robo ele niam nke say IGP kan wenhu ni yansa nka or security insecurity and answer crime e wo bibia nti yen twaso ne munkunkum nya yan twaso afei aban ne huni se Ghana na yete no se Ghana be ye ya anya bosia na oboboda ya Ghana ye mana ye se Ghana be ye ya anya brofo akase a ministers kan na be change Ghana se Ghana be ye ya anya professional IGP ana attorney general na be Ghana ye se Ghana be ye ya anya wukrom MP a wato abama na ni titantantan na okoko wi ballot paper no enyo no be Ghana ye wukrom MP aboa jimifo na ya mani sika so onfa nkoye japade onfa nkoye puntudwuma okromu a no de sika ne ko fa hyawofo no enyo no be Ghana ye na sa Ghana oman ni be ye a tese yenya a sensible and reasonable government ana yenya a sensible and reasonable leader obetumi gire Ghana fo enim muntie me kire mu nyansa ye betumi da solve all the problem in this country me say me wo policies makoma 10 me cha Ghana ban one free yan kwasu ku nkosu nyansa ye de bo man pacha oman ni wo amembo ni wo ansa na suku na ye den eba nyansa wo ansa na suku eba nti sabe we president we MP we minister na wo nim nyansa we less me se me fa unto aboa we nim nyansa me nim de help nyansa na de chichiro man nyansa na me guso kire wo tie hwade Ghana say ye bet say Ghana mana ye ya Ghana an yo ma ya ka Ghana yan ye plane Ghana yan ye ship nti yan ha ya wo ship ho yan ha ya wo petrol ho yan ha ya wo bibia ho de esesa Ghana ni bia de tunitirim ene omampani Akufo-Addo video we wo ba hye se wo tie mi a atemdidie ne mi di wo no mi di wo purposely for nsem hunu na ekoso wo ba mu no say ya wo na wo ncheke o and I say we are correct na wasidifo ne ya correct I will insult you because ya say openi tinafie ma nkwalawi na nkan ya bu na nkawefo a eno no ya first person nti sa we MP na MP no woman sika so fonko ya de na wan ya I won't blame the MP woman sika no sa wo fa auditor na ko cheke on ye ya wa order IGP and police for no mammo no e de na court e prosecute no no mo de na kotum ye jele no na another MP e de sua nyansa ene na ba cha say we president nti me yawa atemdidie ne yifrim na tie nyansa me de kirewa se eno wo fa e ba bo my Ghana tie Ghana ye 30 million ma wo auditors and check and study eduania the whole country population including our ewo kroyimu eduania yedi na first cash farming system first na first car ebetumi produce eduania ebetumi feed the whole Ghana for about 4 years and 5 years na sa eduaba no yetumi and cultivating within 1-2 years na wo government no and you duty say we bet me feed the whole Ghana. Ewa ban we botum tie. Sa obi nye adwuma tie nyansa we nyansa o obi nye adwuma na sa oto area na woti area obi na nipa no nye adwuma no wo fra no kwabena to we mame na wa me na aduane edi fa we mame na wa me na aduane edi fa we mame na wa ye na aduane edi ade a wo beka bia nipa no ba ye wa wo hwa me ka cha me so when you man ye me ya hustler me watch me pen nti me my first experience me ya kwala na me ya smoko papa nti me sua na mapi me na metempo no yes nti me suma kwa me ye nti apofofo no mkopo no mo ba na me ni wakora na omo de me number eden ebebe fi because obi obesuma bia me ko because me kwa me ya bia edi nti sa ni pe we on small ma on kase opopo utida nti abai no sa wo de to mo so as a government wo pesa we save this country. One, think of feeding the whole country. So, good to me. And I develop because we are going to no copy wonder cry. When you demand ya, the government can feed you. And my way you come for 1. When you police for your home. 1, 2. Where to me, we bet me feed the whole country. You have the whole unemployment in this country as your workers because government no who feed you san kwofo na who feed you no e bia boys 3 boys 4 boys 5 girls 3 girls 2 omu ina tete single room into oman no ya kwan enye ya hospital enye ya bi mesi ya bi enye oman we ya fixio oman we ya boga na foforo mesi Ghana problem na akra kwan wo se wo ba akra kwan ma ya 3 road da na besi ese obubu amanfo dan ni na ya nya ne sa me kire onyansa tie me da ba ya ne se wenya e farmers omatumi produce nduane a the whole Ghana betumi edi for 3 years no the next thing I will be say wo be make sure say kro biala carpenter fo ewom embra mo cancer mason fo embra mo cancer tilers embra mo cancer ya fasan steel burners embra mo cancer omo yi adwuma no akwaye nation building no ma omo yina embra mo cancer wunya sa artisans ni na hia that was what Kwame Nkrumah was doing it's no ni nyansa order ya fasa concrete ade building motorway na ya wo mi e nyansa da ya wo mi e nyansa eni me say e nyansa na fasa ankofo artisans ni na mbe chia o cancer na kro biala wanwu nimpa dodo a omo ye artisan e wo kro no mu omo ni nsan no dwuma omo ye young boys ni na obi ambetro ni din ombedi labor ti na wo wi a anyefo e wo kro mo yinala anyefo e wo kro mo yinala wo no mo nko agreement wo ko gbagbo se wa China se omuntu ya asase omuntu ye fom egudie for 20 years na Ghana man ne ti ase a anyefo no so the same way in obetuma ka kire Ghana ban se Ghana anyefo ne se onye ne sabe otumfo se tutu asanteman wura yesraw ya pese ya boaw na umbebunu no enya adwuma ye na kro no ene nyama basa esoti na yuti ni na ye adwuma ye na ye motoye ntina na mesraw se aban ne me mama asase na make sure asase na ka in 30 years time and 40 years time na uwi a onyene no wonu na kan at least 30 years time no 10% of the money what bet you 30 years time no wo benya na kro biala so onyene wonu na yesa agreement no wutuma flying funi na wonu ma yesa agreement no na kro biala no o mama wasase a asase no wo betumi esi stadium esi region no so wo betumi esi hospital papa obi yale wa Accra Greater Accra region ese ye fam de no kwatamali ansana akwhwa no wesi ultra modern hospital e wo region no so nti awo no sa niam na wo besi no eye carpenter fo mason fo na wa form adwuma na wo do mo kwa site no wa ya farm dada nti owo na yiri wo wufi a enya obeden because the government has planned say obe save the nation by feeding the whole country for 3 years nti sa carpenter no okwa site na se okwa koye adwuma ma government no na government no kwa nya sika ntua na sabi traders ya farmer no community council enim sa abrante na okwa koye adwuma ho no onim ne yene ne mbado do wajo mofie nti community council no di omodua na be ko every week nti so okwa 1 year kra no mba ya the government can feed ne yene ne mba aban no be feed ne yene ne mba for that very long na obetumi dey see the hospital papa na nurse for no ko fire service for papa na fire service for ko children's park papa na nkwala ni di agro market papa 10 heavy obitawa na poison obi akọ no krom ko yedwuma e ba na sa one e be reduce casual traffic because but you know edwuma ni na kakra bi na e won kan nti you ni na akọ kan for survival eno na makro no koso no because edwuma na e won kan na eso and the youth na akwankan ekọ hosere no they are more than the jobs in that place into the other baby akron no besi ti kron bia so carpenter fo nko she o mukrom mercy fo nko she o mukrom aban no mo cement ena mo iron rods sa tax factory na obaya na waye bi wafa tile wafa workers e dey gum government of aban no because you can feed them into who from say mo yeduma bia and when say obafa auditors obi na eduma oyeye make yensisi dan ni hospitals papa yensi eduma no mo yesa obi aye eduma nobody will have time of stealing anybody in this country everybody is working so musisi dan no hospital no musisi much no musisi fire service station police station ultra modern papa bi into police station na ubesi esi wakwa because Nobody is going to steal because adwuma ba obi a youth ni ye adwuma sa mo tumi hihya mra ama Ghana ni bia hye no smart mo tumi hihya mra ma Ghana ni bia ye adwuma mo ban e nyansa na munim nyansa be kire nyansa wo jimi amaka kire e simple we eno no we be create job ama youth ni na job boy ewo no edan na wusi no wonsi ni atakwame wonsi edan sa single room no obi nkwatinam police quarters wo show police quarters na me catch Ghana police for me nyam kasetia police quarters bi ani Ghana ha wo catch me commandos am kwatina wa meye I'm telling you yes me tia shama me rent me ne dan na me rent no it is more than the police quarters no motete no me nyam kasetia me tira police force Ghana police for me sramu you don't deserve that me kasantia mo you don't deserve that na police ni ba ko one ne yere ne mba single room and a chamber hall what be that when we develop country when we manya nyansa na mpacho me bisa mo man pani ni number 2 kura da ba kum mo man pani number kwala mo 5 years bisa mo say 2 eda da ba kum na now as a police as a military officer as a migration officer as a prison officer na ya mo single room sa wona wo yere ena wo mba and that's a single room hwe me catch up the government of Ghana has insulted all our civil workers. I tell you Ghana bank where this Mrs. Soldier for the police for prison officers nurses teachers Ghana bank ejimunatem somewhere mpoa. I tell you why should you build why should you build a single room for a prison officer? Why should you build a single room for a police officer? Police ni biala e bia owo no self-contained meeting no na chese bia ne papa bobla ne papa bi ne wewu ne weje ne fie say as a hostile police na wan ka se sika wuchochi ya kwanza ne for police no e yadom o e yadom when I am kasa na me it's like a sham a yam emotional na me nyatete na kofa nusue na ba Ghana penifo say obi a police wa bo man no kono na obi a civil servant wa bo o man no kono no adenti na mu nyansa nhye ye papa mo MPs ministers de mo nim say mo tena flat mo tena mansions mu it is better so our police our prison officers our migration officers and our fire service officers they don't deserve to live in mansions. They don't deserve to live in proper houses. That is what bring enviness in the play. No, be in the play in here. Oka brochira. Ye ni mo nyen dan, ene ge ni mo sekeni dan because equal rights and justice. Ye ni mo nyen dan, ene ye ni mo sekeni dan. Nta ban mu sa nyansa no. No kro biala o provide them cement any iron rods. Na youth no carpenter for the mason for tile steel benders no. Or you saw with the adwuma. Na ya make o mo no mo sisi dan we self-contained we are single room we are young boy we are 18 years we are 18 years we single room self-contained o baba akwa we no oba no 2 bedroom self-contained o baba akwa na we yera 3 bedroom self-contained o mamienu 4 bedroom self-contained na ya chicha ma workers na ye adwuma na o man chefeni na da mom because one we yes ade we automatically where you fear fikrom because obi aniwa obi afie private toilet wo obi anu akwan sabi predecessor obetwe ne hwa tenten akwan esi politics esra mu fanchame obeje nan wo hwa Ghana fo ibia ebi mu bin anya kono obenni nkwase abin akekere wo ahwe mie ya obetuta ma afa ne window nkoma na batare okaso sa nkwase asamwe sadami kire aban no mu nyansa na oya emma obi ankwasa wo nyi ni mu It's every single boy ubenya was single room self-contained now team. Now we a young boy we are doing my by now. Where you know, so 2 years and you complete dino. So 4 years and you complete that tea dino. So 3 years and you complete here. Mom we are doing women in a twatro. Why you do 6 months? We are doing 6 months. 6 months no, we are missing a day I say to 50 Ghana. Ya calculate in 6 months no. I buy no as I say I buy an amount ebia 10,000 Ghana cedi 100 million. E dan na wuti me no aban no or 500 million. Nti wo beto a aban no de bama wo. now 100 million what if you were sikan now ka 400 million now buy one more by say e bia 20 years fetia now we adwuma na buy na te won kakra abuy na te won kakra abuy na te won kakra pa cha kro no bia ma wiase bi when IGP nsuan ko kan kira ko fado when it solve every problem afa man no tie me e man no carpenter for ni mason for no mo site no o mbedidi ntimba no bi emba no canteen krobia canteen wo so krobia community ni pa ba 200 bia canteen wo so wo bi be pie wa onko didi free wo bi be pie wa onko didi free banche ade na eduaba de aduan dada ya planted aduan na ebusu dada ya ndi kura besai nti aduan na bi wo ho nti ko ekom wo ye wo be pie krom ha wunya ko na ko didi free wunya se ga bia nso ebo floating be na traffic na kan ko bonu kokunu wunya se okada man bia fa okada ko ni name na kan ko bonu kokunu obenye duan pepedi na adwuma sai a owoni fieti onye duan di na nim bede so obekoko bokro no say na adwuma me we dey tie we young boy we adwuma sai na we ti we sangre room self contained mu e bia na pa okita phone na wo memia e komede we bia no wo nti wo online betuma apply adwuma aban sometimes adwuma aba hospital na dey na yesisi ultra modern ones investors e bakro no mu e bia company nti adwuma aba nti wo google adwuma wo pe a wo ya awie afa aban mu wako aban ne tiltas den wuti mu ucho cheka oman buo eno anu no kom we ya aman buo bi ne bebia bio wako abrochira den abrofu de chen ya bi mbada wako obenye aduane di free sa wo ya wo a obenye dan papa dem internet na de ye free okay nye free say ye free wo be tia de but entisa Ghana what you sika akoto no na network san jimi kire wo what you sika akoto me say me top bundle 5 million a month. Me top bundle 5 million. Me tell you the network and sign here. Ma top bundle 5 million e no network and sign here. Kwasi asem be no. Kwasi asem kra be no. O mai be ni. It all goes to the president of this country. It all goes to the president of this country. Our foundation is our president. So if the foundation is weak, IGP crown why weak no anami. Ebusia for me dem say. Telephone number is 0545 996299. Me pa mo chaw company bi epe workers. Company bi epe workers. Enti mesraw. A herbal company. A herbal company rather unfortunate. Me to form telephone number na ntumi tirim. Me ntumi so nkan ye mistake. Nti wo pese wo kwaye adwuma wo a omba ma accommodation de ahia ne se wo ba fa wo transport wo ba fa wo transport na wo kwa Kumasi udu Kumasi wo ba fa omba ma baby wo beda good service good treatment na wa kwaye adwuma agiske de gu botom tie eye company de wo Kumasi ene Tamale but sisi ano Tamale de ane de is okay Kumasi for no mo pay workers omo effective product nti wo de wo pay adwuma ni bia ya wo young boy maintain na life inside kwashe Kumasi 3 months kwashe Kumasi 4 months ko ba adwuma pesika gu botom wo ba kroma again na wo pay na 1 penny na ba tenase tie bema your power is your pocket I'm telling you a man your power we your bema wo power e your botom na wo swag tie me adwuma no e wo Kumasi maintain na wan kan chese ba wo komando me send 20 cedi me nibi me jai we a young boy don't call me bossu I beg you chale I beg you send me 20 I no go do why men yet see me that me say it is better I teach you how to fish than to fish for you see me it is better some match now kwan ye for so yeji nam the way you na menya wisika than some me match nam the amount because some match nam the man that mean when you can catch the fish into me say wo pese wo ko ye fansan wo pese wo koye adwuma wo Kumasi a me se omba ma good accommodation omama good proper treatment adwuma na wo ye nanka so mo bo wo ban correct yes minim da meka nti se wo pesa wo join business na wo pesa wo koye adwuma wo a omo bebi ada dia wo be ya ne se wo ba saka Kumasi eno no certificate ya nyehwe pe car ko etua keke na Kumasi wo Kumasi de what we be yes aka other job my can was mention and investment yes and run me a confirmation credible my yebi ekoyi into sa wo pesa wo dwane a china and no so make wasam. But for the maker of Kumasi there, it is available ready, and they are call ya channel was start ejuma. Why you serious who pay juma ya just call 0545 996299 0545 996299. Right after video, wo frame ya. You can say, but ejuma na Kumasi no simple. Boss me chiao. Ejuma na kan wasam Kumasi no na ma explain natural. And that's how the first manager no mama. Now friend manager no akasa. Now wako ejuma e display buboto. Yes, ejuma sika wom me ka kira. Yes. Enye bibia na ese ye kire. Wo kwa wo tu be koku. Nti me dem ase. Mama shout out kakra na adofo no doso. Wen nti asemu. Ebusuafo omo doso nti me ma shout out. Me de shout out kase e de ma e fan say Kofi Penny. Yes. Kofi Penny no ma describe na ma mo comment ni mu. Kofi Penny oye abrantie nimnyamfo a sabe impredesa Facebook yesterday say ye kan yansasam no kwasefo bi o mo so mo ntia say ye kan yansasam nti ya ba on bedi atam nti oye special employee a yenya dagere employee no freedom fighters me na my employee me tia ne ka am the whole freedom fighter bia be hu wo ye fe Kofi Penny so bidi kwasesam wase a ono abate ne kakanka oho oye special mo amudidi atama no musinia man wudi atama wo baje wo reply na wa yi steady ne wo hye yansa enti ye basre telephone number am say me hu say amanfo am say okay very good me administrator no wa correct telephone number no nya de screen no so no 0545 996299 me din chia kase e de ma ye fan say Kofi Penny Monkey Father michiao ana michia Kofi Mensa Samuel michiao ana michia good job say Kofi asamwa michia wonso michia ekua echa aboaje o birthday Gina Kitsina michia Gina Madam Gina obodwuma pa and we say you are doing amazing job to help the development of this country me da also asi ene wodwuma pa wo ye de boa freedom fighters afei e fan san Same Amazon michia o na michia Abena Techi michia Posh baby wone ukunu ya fasa time for change michie mu ina ewo Italy abonten so yesra nanom inhira edemamu edima pa mo so modem nkwa atowasa mo baye mu obi man so de anka mo atom de nanso modwe oman ne yeye enti mo baye edwuma edaboa oman no Wise Africa Youth Executives medin chia kase edemamu ina echia e fan sen edo so chali Dora Akagani michia Felix Kitty Bismarck Dusuri Al-Shaddai Ahmed michiao Mavero michiao yuka bonten so tesen ana michia e fansen ni ejemensa michiao wonso mama ya boa papa bi na neku echa happy belated birthday and do amete say udu birthday enya sam ketwa ba we invite me mama no mo champagne bi inteno nso ya behwa no asam na ya kan yi ana e fansen nonsense no nonsense ya mpem kwasesem ya wa ha Nana Dankwa michia or say NPP ancestors overthrown Osajefo and Nkrumah. That's why the parties doesn't appreciate his effort as much. They sat to see all he did to vanish from the sight of Ghanaians. Okay, no problem. Roberta Omari, my sister Bakope, US Abontin, so we didn't check I say at the mouth. Anyway, you my power de freedom fighters. I'm just distracted by his body. Okay, no problem. Well, okay. The Ghanic Ofrimpon, Dominic Ofrimpon, IGP must go now. Yeah, I say Akufo-Addo, Obombodena, Opamano. He has proven this credibility. What I say own to me and ye Edumano and from Boa or my Ghana. Sami Amazon Michel Bio and Michia Pat Asari baby will be a Michel. Maybe shall comment to me body HL Kakasa Wushami. So one casa would be to data in your dajere. Maybe a video almost 1 hour. 10 minutes now wakota credit in your dajere ebe shame now would di matem dia it's up to you yourself and then Jude Quay Michel well okay Fred Nakura Michel and Michel Victoria Dankwa Bridget Akpapo Michel and Michel Efensen Yusuf Kremo Michel Yusuf Kremo and Michel Kwesi Ampa Michel also Paulina Bridget appear Michel also Bridges for the years. Akwesampa, Michel, Akwesampa. Oh, Akwesampa. Yeah. I'm saying, Ireland, Abontin. So, you know, Ghana in the background or Ireland Abontin. So, also supported in check. I say, Edmond. As still well, Kanzo, Astiwell Council Michiao and Powell Collins Michiao Ekwe Chaboaji Kofi Asamoah and Efansen Kofi Mensa Samuel with the Muinasi and I didn't check I say Adama the Fansen Jago Kingsley and Nana Usu and then Obibia or supporting movement, you know. Freedom fighters, we didn't check I said the from Dr. Ren, Avram Bemoshe, Opening, Aketiche, Afrifa Mensa, we didn't check I said the Captain Smart. Mom, for now, no, more sorry, not more kind of crano. No crano, what can I for mine one? And no, I think you are pushing the nation forward. Internally, you are welcome as a freedom fighter. O personal issue there, I was there, any problem. Me too, sabi, me no be kwada, na manji nsa na, and your government issue, nti no wo kan, engu me mufi, and your she, Ghana for there. Just o man wo say wo didin. O me pe kwan bi so bu ni ma support o. Na me there, me akasa me de wo baka na, me akasa maka mo de a chen de wo baka no. Nti wo de opia, fo gimi sambra, na abete wo kakanka. Ya fa no ntwenchen, me do obi ase. And Michia freedom fighters in fire from above of your CSF Abraham Bemushe Obibia or 44 Mama Gina Sugar Drops Obibia in check us at the man Obibia and initially in a church and free mind church Obibia at Obiase and I didn't check us at the man West Africa Youth Executive Titru Papa Alaji Mr. Yameche Mr. Henry Ma Portia Oni Okunu Bibia Muchebia didn't check us at the Mamuina and Mr. Fred Mr. Osei Tony Obibia freedom fancy West Africa Youth Executives we didn't check I say at the map Obibia at Obiase Makramo Obehu menim and Ochina Echi about 2 days and then about Adecha Nama Homie. So a critical issue there, every member want to say yet any critical issue. I think I have to take time, not me 1-2-1-2 be so abua if he any bush anti. My bomb they say and there a channel but Saturday the same timeness Saturday and also Yababa na Ebibieja na Yabachere. Kakra and actually I think the next time I may another opportunity no I will continue machere akochi na manfo and we say sabi ye won em papa edem o man no na ye o man say and I say anyam panifo and ye see ye say ye ba abakasa editi o ye do obi ase and supporter or the support West Africa Youth ye demase yakram.